everyone, welcome back to your own channel, that is Subjectsaholic guys. And today we are going to learn about predicates. In our previous video we had learned all about subjects, its types, its meanings as well, and we have done some exercise as well. So in this video we are going to cover our predicate concept, and let's start. Okay, so here you can see predicate is what? It is a part of a sentence that tells something about the subject. In our previous video we had already covered about the subject, so if you haven't watched that video, first I would recommend you to watch that, and later you will easily find out what actually the predicate is. So here predicate is what? It is the part of a sentence that tells something about the subject. Okay, so let's see here. It usually contains a verb and what follows it. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Ram plays cricket. Who plays the cricket? Ram. So Ram is our subject, we know that, right? But what he is doing? He is playing cricket. So here plays cricket is our predicate. Let's understand it with the help of its types as well. So let's see its first type. Here, simple predicate. The example that we have read right now is the example of simple predicate. Only the main verb. Just like our simple subject, that subject is talk about particular, one noun or pronoun, right? In the same way, our simple predicate talks about only the main verb. Like here, Ram plays cricket. Here, plays is our simple predicate. Okay, here plays is our simple predicate. Now let's talk about its second type, that is your complete predicate. Just like we have learned in subject as well, because both are similar, so we will take both and understand it in a better way. So here you can see that just like complete subject, we have learned in our previous video that simple sentences where only noun or simple subject is where our noun or pronoun comes, right? But if there is some modifier as well, then it becomes a complete subject. In the same way, if there is only one verb, then it is our simple predicate. But listen carefully, if there is some modifier as well with our one verb, there is modifier as well, then it will become our complete predicate. The verb and all other words after the subject, so all other words indicating modifier. Okay, here you can see Ram plays cricket in the park. Here what is our subject? Who is playing in the park? Ram is playing. So here we know that it is our subject. But what he is doing? The whole thing. Here plays is our verb plus all the modifier. What he is doing actually is all our complete predicate. If the sentence is asking about what is the simple predicate here, then we will say plays. But if it is asking from us the complete predicate, then we have to identify it as plays cricket in the park. So whatever there is after subject, that is known as our complete predicate. Otherwise, if it's talk about simple predicate, then it's only verb. Okay, now let's move towards our last predicate. Just like we have done three types of subjects in our previous video, in the same way there are three types of predicate. First one is simple one, in which only main verb will come. If they are talking about complete predicate, then whatever after subject there is verb or plus modifier, then that is our complete predicate. But if there is talking about two or more verbs, listen carefully, if they are talking about two or more verbs with the same subject, here who is the subject? Ram is the subject, because he is playing and he is winning the match, right? So Ram plays and wins the match. Here two verbs, first one is plays and second one is win. So here are two verbs and they are talking, if there is two or more verbs with the same subject, then it is considered as compound predicate. I hope you have understood it, and we will meet in the next video for doing its exercise. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much.